Hi guys, welcome back to our channel
Life with the Lawrences.
And in this video here we are at
Old Harbor.
So we'll be doing a little bit of vlogging here and there.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. Stay tuned and watch the video.
Yes.
With the Lawrence. With the Lawrence. With the Lawrence. Life with the Lawrence.
Just that you not seeing it.
The sign is a very pretty sign. You see? Look, Bunny.
It starts with adults. A man is going to leave his father and mother and he's going to leave to his wife. So that family is not for children. Children don't start families. It is adults who start families. Man with blood grown up, muscle start family. Women who are big women who are mature.
Vlogging for our channel, Life with the Lawrences. Just started a vlog channel. Your face will not give it just information, because we try to keep it, you know?
Like old Caribbean in there weirdo.
I think they sent it to you for.
No, you have to start on this, my girl. Yes. You know, we have to go probably slant this song to get it to out.
When my wife see me come, when I cross my line like this, she say, you're in your favorite position. See how she understands. And I know that was the right turnover. But I stop her. And she say, you're in your favorite position. What's wrong with you? We can't know which position we think we're going down.
No do that, Jaja, no do that. The image in your head.
The image.
You're not the head and in your
I was
right.
sitting on the phone with the bride and I said, there's a particular kind of position that gets me excited. And she said, what is that? We tell her, let's go to get married. She said, that's real partner. And she tell me what kind of position she is. But hands. All right, hold on. Come on, sister. Come here, sister. Come here, sister. Jesus. You have man on the road and woman on the road and understand the people and them and where they're going. And I'm not even feeling people there. And we are in relationships, but we don't understand our spouse. And we in a church and come every day and dress up on a fake it. We don't know faking it. What is wrong with you? You must get to know who you're married to. You must get to understand who you're married to. And that is not something that is going to happen by accident. It's going to take what? Work. You're going to have to be deliberate. You're going to have to be intentional. You're going to have to make it a priority. You must know what a man like. You must know what a woman like. You must know where the person wants to go. Listen to me, Church of God.
Listen, you cannot say that because I saw somebody from down the mountain bay and they were tonguing. And the little boy, his mother said to him, John, what happened to you? And he said, Mama, Maka jumping on the foot, but her mother said, speak properly. And he said, Mark, Kirby, Jeremy, and the third person. So foreign love everywhere. Are you ready?
Like it was 24. Started praising the Lord like it was. The Lord comes shining through the air.
Some say you
we love you. We can't do this without you. Don't fight. Just walk around your